It was nap time. All the animals were fast asleep, except for Addie. He had the hiccups.
I can cure those hiccups. Stand on your head and eat a banana. I will give it a try.
Kaboom! It only
Do
made
it.
him dizzy.
Do it. Accidentally. And I can cure those hiccups. Drink lots of water very, very fast. I will give it a try. Go, go, go. I can cure those hiccups. Hold your breath and count 10 backwards. I will give it a try. Boom!
Everyone waited and waited, but there were no more hiccups.
See, I'm the master of curing hiccups. It works every time.
All the animals fell back to sleep. Except for Eddie.
Achoo! Way is over.
Take a bow.
Good job.